Sod the intro. The day has come. Oh. I did not look like this about 20 minutes ago, okay? I have had to really quickly pull this all together to get this video for you because I was not ready. I was in no way ready for what happened today. But let me just unbox this sodding thing, then I'm going to tell you the story. I'm going to tell you how I ended up getting it. We're going to go into all of it. Pricing. Oh my gosh, everything. I've taken the ribbon off just to make... nobody needs to see me undo a ribbon, okay? Okay, so... Sodding bag. Yes, the bag. We know, we've seen it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Am I even aware that this is like real life right now? Because I am in no way ready. Okay. This, I got an email today that, I'm not going to lie to you, I 100% thought was a scam. And it was like, the subject line was a message from Hermes. And I was like, what do you mean, which message from Hermes? I was like, what kind of scam is this? I was like, whoever has written me this email, you're not going to get me today. Oh, no. I'm not following through on your link and putting my credit card details in, having my bank account wiped. Not today, sir. Anyway, looked at it, and then I noticed that it was like from the store manager at Cadogan Place in London. And it had CC'd in my essay that I was like going to there. So I was like, oh, hold on a second. And I got an email. I will read it out to you like word for word, right? But aside from that, okay, right, sod it. The box. I'm all over the place. Okay, I'm sorry. Right, the box. It's got a tiny pillow for the handles to lie on it. I mean, surely we've all seen this, no? Right, we've got this thing. What is this thing? I haven't, oh God. What are you? What are you going to tell me? Look good, Hermes. I think that means leather, the skin. If I'm right. Hermes leather. Nailed it. Those 7 years of French. We've got its tiny raincoat. If you didn't know, Hermes bags come with a raincoat. Because how dare they be battered by the rain? Hermes is pleased to offer you this raincoat, specially designed to fit your bag. How very generous and cute of you. Not really generous, because this is the most expensive bag I've ever bought. But okay. Amazing. Okay, so we've done that. Okay. Are you ready? I got Twillies for her, so she's like, she's good to go. Oh God. Are you ready? Are you ready? I wasn't ready. I'm still not ready. I'm not okay, if you haven't noticed. I think I'm like delirious. These are the Twillies. And this is her. Oh my God. I'm not okay. I can't formulate a sentence. I'm going to talk you through it. Okay, you know what? Firstly, let's take off this little protective felt thing. Oh, you beautiful, beautiful little beast. Ah! Kill me. Just like, I'm done. Like, thank you so much. My work here is done. She is a 25 Birkin in Togo leather in the colour bamboo, which if you watched my last wish list, not my Christmas wish list, because I did not think this was going to happen, then bamboo was one of the colours that I had said, and I said preferably 25, but like 30 was my backup size, so two out of 3. The only thing was that I said that I did want gold hardware. However, I really don't care that much that when this was put in front of me, palladium, oh my gosh, of course, what? She is just everything, okay? I shall be leaving all the stickers on all of the hardware because I am that person. I also chose 2 of the same Twillies, okay? I did want to put Twillies on her because she's my sodding baby now and I want to look after her. So these are kind of like to protect the wear and tear and oils of the hands on the handles. So, saw this colour, this like glorious, what is this? It's like a periwinkle, but it has some of the green in it. Just makes so much sense together. Let's dive in. Let's sodding dive in. Why do I sound like the Joker? This maniacal laugh I've got. I've turned into a different person. I don't know what's happening to me. Okay, so let's dive inside, shall we? Okay. we've got the tiny thing here, which we'll get into. We've got a little pouch at the front, and then at the back here, we've got a little zip open. Look at her, she's so tiny, but she's so roomy. Right, inside this tiny little pouch, we have the little, what the, clay thing, whatever, with the lock. So, I've got to do that. I'm not alright. I'm really not. That... Wow. Okay, so let me tell you how the hell this happened, because I'm still not entirely sure how the hell this happened. I want you to be on display for the whole story, but I also do not want you to fall, so I shall cradle you, like my small child. Okay, so... This is my Hermes journey thus far, and the email I got and all of that business. Oh, price! She is £6,800, which is the most expensive luxury item I've ever bought that hasn't been given to me or whatever. Right, let's start right at the beginning. I decided I wanted a sodding Birkin. Mum and I, let's say around July, Augusty time, went into Hermes Cadogan Place. Met a lovely essay there, really, really nice guy, and I was like, oh, great, because that's, you know, a big part of this is getting on with your essay and everything else. So Mum was buying a blanket, and while we were talking and everything else, we started to talk about the bags. And he said, okay, well, today you can open up a wish list, right? Tell me what your preferences are and everything else. So we spent like a good, maybe like 20 minutes writing down all of my preferences, bamboo being one of the preferences. And then he said, okay, great, well, when a bag comes in that matches these requirements, then we'll let you know. Okay, so I went away and I was like, oh my gosh, I'll be put on a wish list. Ah! And then as I was like telling people, people were like, oh, those wish lists, like, they never pull through. You're never going to hear from them again. It's like a ploy they do to like feel like they're doing something, but they're not. And I was like, damn it! Weeks went past, the quarantine and everything else, and I knew that for Christmas I wanted to get my mum 2 pillows and I wanted to get a very specific pen for my dad. So I went to the same essay. Oh, and I also wanted to get my Kelly Pocket wallet, wherever the hell you are. So I went to that same essay and he said, oh, the pen is only available at Bond Street, right? So I was like, okay, fine. Went to Bond Street, ended up like talking to an essay there and getting his card. I got the pen and I thought, well, while I'm here, I honestly can't be bothered to go from one to another. And I knew that my other essay was like either on holiday or he was taking a while to reply. So I was like, I'll just buy them here and start my relationship here instead. They didn't have the pillows, so I ordered the pillows in. The pillows have still not come in. I'm still waiting. So I spent about £2,000. I spent £2,000 there, right, at Bond Street with a different essay, right? So I was like, oh, maybe when I get the pillows, maybe then I'll be offered. I had honestly come to peace with the fact that I was not going to get a Birkin this year. I was like, I'm going to have to take a trip to Paris next year and I'm going to have to try my hand there because I am absolutely not being offered it here and I refuse to go in and buy stuff that I don't want. I am here on my sofa minding my own business when I get an email. And the email says, Dear Ms. Thorpe, you recently left a wish with us for a Birkin bag, and I'm delighted to inform you that we have found a Birkin to match your requirements. Birkin 25, Togo leather, bamboo, palladium hardware. We have placed the item on reserve until Sunday the 20th of December. Please let me know your thoughts. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions. I mean, like, the first thing I did was, like, tell me. And then the second thing I did was phone my mother and she was like, what are you still doing here? Get changed and go. This is the Cadogan Place store, okay? So this is not the store that I've spent at. I've actually spent nothing at this store. My mum bought a blanket, but that's not under my account, right? I am over the moon. I am still confused and perplexed as to the Hermes journey and what works and what doesn't, and I honestly have no idea because it seemed that they pulled through with the wish list and their promise and everything else. I think I'm just going to be like sitting here for the next couple of hours just staring at her from across the room. I'm so dead over it. I'm obsessed. Let me know what you think of her. Welcome her to the family. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it, but I will see you, love, whatever do I say at the end of these. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.